Welcome back. Now, one of the things that may have happened if you use a Gmail account along with your ClickFunnels sign-in is that you may not receive a confirmation for your email, nor will your additional user receive the confirmation. And that means then that they will not be able to confirm their email in order to become part of your ClickFunnels team. If that's the case, they can create an email address from their website control panel. So if they go to their own website and type in cPanel, which starts with control panel, they will be able then to find an area where they can create their own email address. Once they're inside their control panel, what they'll need to do is to go to their email accounts. And what they'll need to do then is to create an email account. They'll need to set up their password. If it's not going to be an email address they're going to use a lot, they'll need then to send the login link to an alternative email address. We're now going to create the email address. What they can do then is to set up a folder. And so they can go to this link to set up a folder. And what they'll need to do is to set up a new email address. And then set up the destination email address. This will mean then that they'll get emails at the email address where they typically are going to answer. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.